Hey guys, I'm going to go over briefly how to enroll in Young Living. There are a number of different options you can choose from. You can enroll with a retail membership, which quite frankly I don't recommend, as you're paying a lot more money for the products. There is a basic starter kit, which is the most economical way to get a wholesale membership with Young Living. It costs $35. It comes with Stress Away, a couple of packets of Ninja Red, a packet of the Thieves Household Cleaner, and some little dram bottles that you can give samples to friends with, things like that. Most people opt to, if they've got other items, oils or products that they have in mind, a lot of people will enroll with this level, with the basic starter kit, and then add on the oils that they're specifically looking for. And then the majority of people enroll with the essential oil premium starter kit, which has 13 oils plus the items I mentioned before. There's also a Ninja Red kit, starter kit, which is also called their antioxidant premium starter kit. Ninja Red is extremely high in antioxidants and is very, very, very good for your health. There is a Thieves premium starter kit. It's also called, I believe, the Home and Personal Care starter kit. And it's heavily Thieves based, obviously, but it does have a couple of oils in that as well. And then there's the CBD premium starter kit. So I'm going to go through and show you guys how to go about enrolling. Some people get hung up on this part because there are a number of steps to go through. So I am going to actually share my screen and get signed in to Young Living. Let me get a new tab here. Let's see. So it's youngliving.com. Let's start sharing. See if it'll go to, okay, so youngliving.com. Let me maximize this. And then you're going to go down to, I assume you're all from United States, but you can choose Canadian, French Canadian, United States English speaking and Spanish speaking. There's all these other countries as well. Young Living is across the globe. It's very, very popular. So we'll go to the Young Living. And then you're going to go up to this corner up here and click on Become a Member. I'll see how far I can get with this. So it tells you you'll enjoy 24% off retail on your favorite products. You can earn free rewards and free products through the Essential Reward loyalty program, which we'll talk briefly on. There's lots and lots of promotions that go on, not only through the company, but I also run a lot of promotions as well. And then you can earn commissions if you share your love of oil with friends. Anyone that enrolls under you, you will get a $50 thank you check from Young Living. So we'll talk very briefly about that as well. So you're going to go to Get Started. You can see her down here on the starter kit. We'll get started. And you'll see the starter kits pop up. The one that defaults to is the premium starter kit, which, like I said before, is the one that most people choose. You can also see the Thieves starter kit. There's also a Welcome Home starter kit. That's nice for people that already have a diffuser at home. It's got a number of different oils in that. It has frankincense, lavender, peppermint, valor, grapefruit, lemon, lime, tangerine, and the wooden rack that you see here. The Thieves has all of these products in them, all the Thieves products, which are all amazing. I use every last one of them. Ninja Red, as I said, is the antioxidant drink. It comes with the actual Ninja Red in bottles and packet form. The packet forms are nice if you're lucky enough to continue to be working during this COVID period because it's a 2-ounce serving that you can pack and go. Ninja Nitro, which is awesome blast of energy without giving you all the jitters that the 5-hour energy does. And then the premium, the CBD premium starter kit comes with the CBD balm, which is heavenly, and it doesn't take a lot to be effective. There's CBD oil and a roll-on, a calm roll-on, which is amazing. All right, so we'll go back to the desert mist. All right. And what you would do is click on whichever diffuser you wanted. It defaults to this desert mist one, which is it's a beautiful diffuser with a lot of different functionality to it. Essential Reward Enrollment, I highly recommend this for a couple of reasons. If you do it right off the bat with the purchase of your premium starter kit, it will give you whatever the 100 PV promo oil for the month is as well. So you're getting 14 oils instead of 12. So that's really, really nice. And you'll find that you'll want to reorder certain things that you'll get hooked on. So it's a monthly subscription. You can change it every single month. You can change the date that it ships, that it processes, so that it can have a correlate with paychecks and things like that. And there'll be a whole different video on this to explain it further, but I do recommend this program. You earn reward points back. So for the first 3 months that you're in the program, you're going to earn 10% of whatever you spend back that you can use on free product. After starting with the 4th month through the 23rd month, you'll earn 20% back, which is amazing, that you can use towards free product. And then when you've been in for 2 years on Essential Rewards, you earn 25% back. I don't know any programs that give you 25% back. So that's amazing. You can quit at any time without any penalty at all. The big thing I do recommend is if you do decide to get out of the program, that you spend all of your reward points first to get the most free product you can, and then contact customer service and get out of the program. Otherwise, the points will stay in your account, but they'll freeze. You won't be able to use them. All right. So we'll just say we're going to enroll at this time. All right. Do you want to use your premium starter kit as your first essential reward order? Yes, of course you do, because you'll get an extra oil for this. All right. So you're going to set up your monthly essential reward order now. If you don't set something up specifically, it will just default to another premium starter kit, which I've gone through a ton of premium starter kits. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but you don't need a second one right away. So you're going to set up your starter or your essential reward order. And what I would obviously recommend is something like the Ninja or some of the Thieves products. You can customize to what you want. A lot of people do this Thieves reward kit because it gives you all of these Thieves products at a savings. And a lot of people also do the Ninja Red reward kit, which has all of these products at a big savings. Or you can customize your order. So we're just going to say we're going to go with the Thieves product details. All right. I'm not going to add anything more right now. I could if I wanted to, but I'm going to go to next. You're going to fill in your name. I'm going to put myself as, whoops, Jane. Jane. I can't spell today. We'll call M. Doe. We're in the United States. I'll put 59 Any Street, York. 1167. I'll put in my email address. I want you to confirm it. Oh, it says that one's already taken. Let me do my Gmail one. NP. Gmail.com. And I put in and receive email confirmation. What you'll get from Young Living is when there are promos going on. A lot of times their blog posts will come to you via email. It's kind of nice because you can keep in contact with them and they can let you know what's coming up. I'll pick a username. I'll pick just new user. Somebody's already done that. Let's do, oh, somebody already put Trauma Mama NP. Holy cow. Probably because I did Trauma Mama. I'll just put my name. All right. I'll use a strong password. There we go. And you need a 4-digit PIN. And so I recommend as you're doing this part of the program, pick a username that you're going to remember, write it down. A password, if you're going to use a strong password, their strong password, write it down or make sure your computer auto saves everything. And then your 4-digit PIN. What you'll need this for is, God forbid, you need to contact customer service about something was missing in your order or something spilled in your order, or your Central Rewards didn't process because your credit card expired and you need to get on and authorize a different card. They're going to ask you for the member number that they're going to assign you, which I also recommend you write down, plus your 4-digit PIN number. So write all of this information down so you have it and you don't lose it. Put it in a safe place. All right. Now, commission processing information, you do not need to sell. You're not obligated to sell anything. And there goes my email. Let me get out of my email. Come on. Of course, I can't get past it. Oh, Lordy. There we go. You do not need to sell Young Living. But what people find is as their friends ask them about it or they've posted something about it or whatnot, many times people do want to sign up underneath you. If you sell a lot of Young Living, if a lot of people enroll underneath you, you will need to give your social security number because you will earn commissions. If you stay under $600 per year, I believe is the amount in commission, the IRS is not going to ding you at all. It's just like being a contracted job with somebody. You're not going to get dinged for it. But if you get over that $600 amount, Young Living will contact you to get your social security number. So you do not need to put it in this spot at this time. You can if you want, or if you are highly motivated to share and earn some extra money, I would put it in now. You can see right here, it auto defaulted as my enroller number here. But if you were invited by somebody else to enroll in Young Living, please bless them by putting their member number in these spots. So before you hop on the youngliving.com page, make sure you have their enroller number handy so you can enroll under them. All right. Please make sure you don't check this no one referred me because what happens is I call you an orphan at that point, and what Young Living will do is assign you underneath somebody else. So make sure this is left unchecked and that you have somebody's member number to put in here to bless them with the referral. All right. And then you're going to go by clicking this box, I agree to these statements. So you would click that and then continue. Come on, continue. I don't know why it doesn't want to continue. Oh, PIN number, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll just make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I can continue. That was my bad. All right, did I leave something else out? Oh, good Lord. I chose a strong password, that's fine. Use strong password. Use strong password. Now let's see if we can get past it. Okay, I'm not going to use it because it's going crazy. All right, it's asking me for the strong password that's already saved. It's at least thinking this time. Sometimes I just hate technology. It puts me right over the edge. And it's going to think forever. Basically what it brings you up to next, which I wouldn't complete because then I'd be buying myself another kit, is the payment page. All right. It's going to stall right there. I gotta love this. It would bring me up to the payment page. And once you enter all your payment information, you can store it just like you can on Amazon or other sites that you use frequently. And then next time you go in, it will have it there for you. Since I enrolled in Essential Rewards, what it would do is it automatically defaults to the day I enroll in Young Living as the day that my next Essential Reward order would process. I could, at that point, change my date if I wanted. I obviously could change the order if I want, and change how it's shipped. There are a number of different shipping options. If you choose just the basic shipping, excuse me, your orders generally come in 6 to 10 days, unless there's a huge sale going on. And guys, when there's a huge sale going on, people go crazy and the shipping gets a little bit slow. And I'll forewarn you about that. It's a little bit frustrating, but it happens. There's a lot of Young Living members, and so it happens. But anyhow, we're going to sit here and spin on this page forever. So that's how you enroll in Young Living. I will also post the links below for the specific kits. If you can just click those links. If you're here because of me and want to enroll under me, I would love you. I will bless you forever with freebies and love on you and get you hooked into all the education. But so you can just click on those links. My number will be auto-populated into it already. However, if one of the other members have invited you to this, please have their member number ready so that you can plug it into this enroller and sponsor fields and bless them with the referral. So that's all I've got for today. If you have any questions, comment below or shoot me an email, and I'd be more than happy to get you started. Have a great day, and hopefully this weather will start improving in the next couple of days anyway. I want summer to get here. Let's get rid of the screen sharing. All right. Oh, there we go. Stop share. There we go, guys. Have a great day. And as always, contact me if you have any questions. Bye-bye.